Right, so Google TV just went and shook things up with some seriously cool updates. And we're going to dive into all of them today.
Yeah.
We're talking straight from the source, 3 articles hot off the press from Google's keyword blog, and Android Central, all dated September 23rd, 2024.
Yeah, you know, it's funny you should say shake things up because these updates really do suggest something much bigger is on the horizon
Okay.
for the way we experience TV.
So picture this. You're knee-deep in a movie marathon, right?
Okay.
Snacks are out, you're comfy, then bam! Doorbell rings, lights are blazing. It totally kills the vibe.
The worst.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll say goodbye to that first world problem.
Oh, thank goodness.
Because the home panel is here.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is where Google TV really shines, you know, being able to control your whole smart home setup right from the TV.
Yeah.
It's like, imagine this, right? You're watching your movie.
Right.
And you can just peek at who's at the door through your doorbell camera, adjust the thermostat, maybe dim the lights if you need to, and you don't even have to hit pause.
They know how much we value our comfy viewing experience, right?
Right? Exactly. They get it.
But you know what? Even with perfect ambiance, sometimes picking something to watch
Oh, tell me about it.
can be a chore in itself.
The struggle is real.
Endless scrolling, decision fatigue.
Yeah, you're just stuck. Analysis paralysis.
But Google TV to the rescue with this latest update.
Yes.
They are throwing us a lifeline in the form of their Gemini AI.
This is huge.
Right, and this is not just your basic star ratings. We're talking like full-on episode summaries, reviews from like real people who've actually watched the show,
Yeah.
and even breakdowns of what goes down each season.
I love this because no more starting a show and then 3 episodes in, you're like, why did I do this to myself?
Exactly.
This is terrible.
You're invested, and then you're like, should I keep watching?
Yeah, exactly.
Speaking of being invested, did Google forget about us sports fans?
No way. They would never.
With all this talk of...
They've actually gone above and beyond for the sports fanatics out there.
Really?
They have a new sports tab,
Okay.
and it is amazing. It is the one-stop shop for everything sports.
Okay.
You've got your live games, you've got schedules for all your favorite leagues and streaming services.
Across all the different platforms.
All in one place.
Wow.
But get this, they've even integrated YouTube highlights.
So wait, hold on. You're telling me I can be watching, let's say, the big game,
Yeah.
and I could like quickly switch over to YouTube to catch like an epic halftime highlight
Exactly.
and then seamlessly jump right back into the game.
Without missing a beat.
That's amazing.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's incredible.
And it's all because of this new sports tab.
So it's not just about adding features for the sake of it. It's really about this like seamless experience.
Right. It's about making the experience enjoyable and easy.
Okay, so we've talked about like practicality.
Yeah.
But now let's talk about like pure visual fun.
Okay.
Screensavers.
Ooh, I love it.
Remember those like cheesy stock photos of mountains and sunsets?
Oh, yeah, the classics.
Google TV said we can do way better.
They really did step up their game.
So tell us more.
They now have AI-powered ambient screensavers.
Okay.
So you can generate art just by using text prompts.
No way.
Yeah, you tell your TV what you want to see, and it creates it.
It's like having a personal art studio built into your TV.
Right.
I'm here for it.
It's pretty amazing.
But with all this talk about AI and like this personalized experience, are we going to need a second mortgage to afford all this?
That's the beauty of it. You don't need to break the bank.
Good, good.
Because Google hasn't forgotten about us budget-conscious viewers out there.
Got it.
They've actually made Google TV Free Play even better.
Okay.
So you can browse tons of free movies and shows, all organized by genre or topic.
So they're giving us the best of both worlds.
Exactly.
The premium stuff. But they're not leaving behind the people who are like, I just want some free stuff too.
Right, we've all been there.
Yeah. But I have to say, what's really interesting to me is how these updates paint a picture of like Google's vision for the future of TV.
What do you think it is?
It's less about just being a screen on the wall
Yeah.
and more about being this like central hub, this personalized command center for all things entertainment.
I love that you said that because I completely agree. And that's what's so fascinating about these updates. It really is this cool blend of like entertainment and smart home control. And then you sprinkle in some AI.
It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it. Like we used to just want a TV with a good picture. And now it's like, hold my drink while I control my house and make some AI art all without leaving the couch.
Right.
But okay, for our listeners who are like, all right, cool tech, but Should I actually care? Is this worth upgrading?
Okay, so put yourself in this situation, right? You're done with work. It's been a long day. You just want to relax, but the remote is like all the way over there.
Yeah, the worst.
You don't even have to move with these updates. You
Yeah.
literally just say, hey, Google, dim the lights, and boom, instant ambiance.
Oh, I like that.
Or say you're craving a feel-good movie, but scrolling through endless options sounds exhausting.
Oh, yeah, been there.
You just ask your TV for a recommendation and it gets you.
Okay, that actually does sound pretty amazing.
Right.
Like it knows what I want.
It's like having a personal assistant who knows your taste in movies.
That's the dream.
And that's the magic of AI.
Yeah.
It just works in the background so you can focus on relaxing and enjoying your free time.
It really seems like this is less about the technology and more about the experience. Speaking of experience, we got to talk about the new Google TV streamer launching with all these new features.
Oh, yeah.
So this is basically replacing the Chromecast, right?
Exactly. And while the Chromecast was good for like basic streaming, the streamer is definitely aiming for something more.
So it's like the brains behind the whole operation.
Right. It's designed to be that central hub for all things entertainment.
Okay, so we've got new software and now even sleeker hardware.
Google's really going all in on this.
But for those of us who aren't quite ready to like swap out all our devices just yet, what's the timeline looking like for these updates to hit like our current Google TVs?
Good question. And unfortunately, the articles don't give us any specific dates.
Ah, the suspense.
Right, I know. But they do emphasize that the rollout begins today, September 23rd.
Oh, okay.
So the good news is that the wait shouldn't be too long.
That's very exciting news.
Yes.
So keep those software notifications enabled, folks, because things are about to get interesting.
Absolutely.
Before we wrap up, anything in these articles that like surprised you?
You know, for me, it's the focus on personalization, especially with that AI screensaver.
Yeah.
Like, it's cool, but it's also like Google saying your TV should be a reflection of you,
Oh, I like that.
your taste, your interests, and that's super powerful.
Yes, true. You don't really think about your TV like being an extension of you, but why not?
Right, exactly. Like, let's get personal with our tech.
It's about time.
And think about it, can go beyond just like looks, you know?
Okay.
Like imagine your TV sensing you had a long day and then suggesting like a calming nature show or a funny movie.
Now you're reading my mind. That's like the ultimate goal, right?
Right.
To have technology that just gets us and makes life easier and more enjoyable.
Exactly. It's not just about giving you a million options. It's about knowing you and like what you'll actually enjoy.
Yeah, like actually personalized.
Yes.
Well, I gotta say, after diving into all these Google TV updates, I'm feeling really good about the future of TV.
Me too.
It's becoming so much more than just passively watching whatever's on.
It's like stepping into the future of entertainment.
Seriously. And on that note, we want to hear from you, our amazing listeners.
Yes.
As these Google TV updates roll out, how do you see your own TV habits changing?
Are you going to embrace the AI art revolution?
Will you be like conducting your own little smart home symphony from your couch?
Let us know.
Hit us up on social media. Send us an email.
Yeah, we want to hear from you.
We are super curious. Until next time,
Oh,
happy
wow.
screaming, everybody.